Hey guys, we are
RV44, and this is our review as a family looking for our perfect RV. In this video, we will take a look with you and give you our opinion why this could be an RV to have on your list. Whether you're single, a couple of explorers, or a family of four, the Coachmen Prism 2200FS is one to consider.
This one's on the Mercedes Sprinter's chassis, and you have a side view camera, which help you when you're looking for parking or parallel parking or backing it up.
Because this one is on a smaller class C or B+, it doesn't have an overhead window like some of the bigger class Cs, but as you can tell, it does have the bunk on the top.
And they have a whole wall slide, and I love that color, even though it's not, I don't think it's body painted, but it's panel in it, but it's a beautiful gray, white, and blue.
Yes. The fact that it has those storage underneath that full slide gives you options for all of your bins, all of your extra things that you don't want to necessarily put inside.
Yeah, and you see our beautiful daughter Natalia there. You also have the liner inside, which is for when you use those wet stuff in there, or even to just prevent it to scratch it with any heavy machinery or equipment you put in there.
And for this to be a small class B, a small class C, it does offer a lot of outside storage, which you don't really see. And I think one of the options is the way that the bed up on the inside is laid out.
You got the back of it. I can tell you one thing. I love those backup camera. I love the LED light. I know you didn't like something.
I don't like the fact how the stairs are in the way of that headlight back there, and where they place that plug, the electricity plug. If you have a hitch back there, you're gonna get in the way of it.
You have the entertainment system and the propane tank right outside, which is a plus for us.
Yep, one of the things that we're looking for is that entertainment system. And this one actually has an ASDL component, which from what our research says, is that it shouldn't delaminate in the future.
I believe that TV have an arm that you can move it around too.
Yeah.
And now going inside.
It's beautiful. That interior on the inside, it's very welcoming. You have the overhead bunk, which, like I said, doesn't have that window, but it does have a little window on the side for the kids to look out of.
And that is the screen on the dash. You can see all the three view cameras pretty much.
And that the fact that the chair swivels makes it more inviting because you have more space to kind of entertain.
Yeah, you also have a TV inside with the entertainment system and the sound bar. That you can, it's so cool. I can show you later. I mean, you can literally just flip around this TV and watch it from both ends of the coach.
Yeah, the kitchen, even though it's small, it offers a lot. It has your countertop, which I said I wish that they would do something else with that. For example, that space for me right there, it doesn't make any sense because I wish they would have put a pantry or somewhere where you can have more storage. You already have enough seating on the side, so yeah. I don't know why they put that there.
And that's the TV that I was telling you guys about. You can see it from the bedroom, and also you can see it from the dinette.
I love that option.
I love it too. The bed is amazing. It's a queen size bed. You got the windows there. You got a whole pretty much wall wardrobe.
Right, which is tons of storage as far as for clothes is concerned. And the bathroom, my God, it's very nice.
For the family of four, even though this is a small one, guys, we seems to be very spacious in there.
Yes.
From the toilet to the shower to the bed, the fact that the kids have on the dream dinette, you can sleep in each there and the overhead bunk.
And then like we're saying, even though this is it's only 25 feet long, tip to tip. It offers a lot of storage. That refrigerator has a lot of space where you can easily just put all your food that you're gonna need for your travels,
And that fine piece of machinery, that was me. I just wanted to say hi there. Just wanted to set it up. But anyways, it's a beautiful, beautiful coach overall. I mean, it's a Mercedes chassis. I believe it's a diesel. Also the fact that the overhead bed, you see the range between 300 pounds and 700 in some cases,
depending on the manufacturer. But you can see, I mean, there's tons of storage inside, both inside and outside. It is very comfortable. I love the decor of it. There are some things, for example, the toilet here. I wish that they would have put it just a little bit, so that your knee is not touching the vanity. But overall, I think it's a beautiful RV for anyone, whether you're a family, whether you're single. It's just beautiful.
And going back to the microwave, I think is a little high because for me, I'm a 5'11".
For me, it's high.
Exactly. There's a reason why they're doing it like that. We don't really.
Well, you have the oven on the bottom, so that also is probably why it's up there. But and here, like on the wardrobe, you can see how beautiful.
A lot of space.
A lot of space, for everyone to store their clothes.
You can use the slide, pretty much that wall. It's also for privacy when the TV's out. But look at that hole. I mean, the space is beautiful. The price, I think this is the Mercedes-Benz more affordable for your wallet, but the price may vary. You go to the dealer, they give you a discount, they give you a special there. But guys, thank you for watching. Remember to stay indoors and stay safe.